I am Ikram and you're watching my YouTube channel English with Ikram. Today I have brought a marvelous thing for you. Now your English writing will be perfect, mistakes free. I am going to introduce a stunning application for English writing. Your grammatical mistakes will be no more. Now you will write without any difficulty. There will be no mistakes while writing your text messages on WhatsApp, your documents, and any social media posts, whatever you want to write in English language, there will be no mistakes. Just because of an application, and that application is Grammarly. It's a stunning application, a marvelous application. Millions of people around the world are using this application. And when I start using this application, there was a revolutionary change in writing. You can write anything without any mistakes. Previously, this application was available only in laptop or in your computer. But now it's available in your cell phone. You can download this application from your Play Store. And then what you are supposed to do, you have to download it first. Then you will register in. You will get yourself registered. There is a simple process of registration. And you can register with your Google account, your Facebook account, with your email. And then you have to download its own keyboard. In your mobile phone, you will download Grammarly keyboard. And now this application is being used all around the world. From kids to the teachers. From grade 2nd, 3rd to the students who are in BS, Masters, in MPhil, MS and PhD, they can use this application. When you are writing something, even in your notebook, what will you do? You will write a sentence in your mobile phone and then you will check the grammar, whether your grammar is okay or not. This application will tell you, is there any grammatical mistake there? This will point out your grammatical mistake, your form of the verb is not correct. Your punctuation is not correct, your preposition is not correct, or any mistake is there, this application will point out. And one thing more, that's awesome, that it will check the tone of your writing and then it will suggest the suitable synonym for that particular word. For example, if I am using the word attractive, it will suggest the suitable synonym for this particular word. It may be gorgeous. It may be nice, it may be excellent. It will check the tone of your writing, then it will suggest the synonym, the suitable synonym for that word that you are writing. So, this is a marvelous application that anybody can use. Very simple one, very simple process. And this is not paid, unpaid. You can just download from your mobile phone, and then you have to get yourself registered with any email account, with Google account or with your Facebook account. Then whatever you want to write, SMS, WhatsApp, Twitter, any social media, and you want to put any social media post, you can use this application for that particular purpose. And then if you are writing something in your notepad, in your notebook, whatever you want to write, want to write an essay, a story, what will you do? You will write that first in your cell phone, in your text messages, and then this application will help you to write that particular text. It will point out your mistakes, any grammatical or mistake of punctuation, and it will suggest some suitable synonym to you. For example, you are writing a sentence, he was taking her breakfast. It will point out the word her. This is not correct. It will suggest that now you have to replace it with his. If your form of the verb is not correct, for example, you have used the wrong form of the verb, second form you have used, and actually third form is there, it will suggest your form of the verb is not correct. Replace it with this one. So this is something awesome, marvelous. And then if you are thinking about a suitable word, then it will suggest you a suitable word, a suitable synonym. You are writing one word, it will suggest you can replace this word with these options. There will be some very suitable synonyms. So in this respect, it's awesome. It's very marvelous, very helpful application that you can use, even a child can use while writing, and it's a Grammarly. So you have to download it in your mobile phone and from your Play Store. Get yourself registered with your any email account, or you can say any Google account or Facebook account. Then you have to download its own keyboard, a specific keyboard that will suggest you synonyms, or it will point out your mistakes. So I hope this application will definitely help you, and it will bring revolution in your writing. Now your writing will be easy. Writing in English will be no issue for you. You will feel confident. And when you feel confident that my grammar is okay, it brings confidence in your spoken language as well, in your fluency as well. I have discussed this thing in many of my videos, that try to focus, for the beginner especially, try to focus on your fluency. But what normally it happens, that when you are not good in grammar, you feel hesitation while speaking fluently. So when your grammar is good, when your grammar is okay, you feel very much confident that I can speak. And when you are confident, you start speaking fluently. And you know, I have told you in many of my spoken languages sessions that when you start speaking fluently, accuracy will come with the best of time. And when your grammar is okay, it means you are accurate. Accurate means that your accuracy level is high. And when your accuracy level is high, you feel confident in speaking as well. My grammar is okay, I can speak. And when you start speaking with this courage that I can speak, my grammar, I know my grammar, and then you start speaking fluently, and then you start communication skill that is enhanced. And you know that what is the importance of communication, what is the importance of accuracy, what is the importance of fluency. So a language is based on in these two aspects, fluency and accuracy. Fluency, that's up to you. You have to practice, you have to speak out, you have to be expressive, try to speak out whatever comes in your mind. That simple formula, just try to speak out. Don't think in the native language, think directly in English. That is the simple thing, that you have to make a habit of thinking directly in English, and then start speaking. Don't translate your thoughts from your native language into the target language. Thus your process of speaking that will slow down. Think directly in English, and accuracy will come with the passage of time. And this application, Grammarly, that will bring accuracy, that will make your grammar perfect, your writing will be perfect. And you have to just practice. Just type something in the keypad in your mobile phone, and just try to practice whatever you want to think, whatever you want to write. Just practice with the help of this Grammarly. Write again and again. And this is a sort of practice. What are the mistakes that you normally make in writing? Just try to practice with the help of Grammarly. It will bring revolution in your writing and your accuracy. It will boost up your accuracy level in writing. Now, I hope this application, Grammarly, that will definitely help you in your writing. And when you are accurate in your grammar, then you will start writing and speaking fluently as well. That's all for today. Thank you very much.